What's good, Good Ink fam? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes on our first workshop in 2025. Actually, our first workshop in forever. We're partnering with Viltrox, the lens company Viltrox, and Mike's Camera to bring a workshop with our good friend Abel Insane to Sacramento. Abel has been a part of the community for a very long time, almost since the beginning, since we started doing this. He's a good friend, super talented guy, aka the portrait god, and he's going to be doing a workshop at Mike's Camera. So we're going to start at Mike's Camera and do some walking around from there, but he's going to be sharing some of his knowledge and also giving you a kind of a look at some of the Viltrox lenses. I don't have like a microphone or anything, so I'm not going to record the workshop or anything like that, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea and a feel for what a Good Ink type of workshop will look like, because we're going to be doing more here very soon in the future. And I just wanted to share, preview what's to come, and yeah, excited for more and excited for some really great things here in 2025. So appreciate you checking in. I'll see you soon. Let's get it.